John Higgins, Mortgage One. Happy Monday. So, wanted to give you a quick update on what we saw last week with regard to rates. Did see a bit of a bounce in rates, and that's really coming off that blockbuster jobs number we got a week ago Friday. So, rates are still in good shape. We did get a revision on a couple of the months' inflation data at the end of last year. It wasn't a big revision, but it was on the upward side, and it's kind of rattled the market a bit after that jobs number. So, coming up this week, more inflation information. The consumer price index is coming out, and that's another great way to gauge where inflation is. If that number comes in a bit tame, we should be in good shape with rates. If that does come in higher than the market anticipates, that could put a little boost to this interest rate that we're looking at today. Again, we're in that range from maybe 6 to 6.5%, and have been there for a bit. So rates, much better than we saw at the end of last year for sure. So with regard to, kind of where the buyer market is, we're seeing real activity with first-time home buyers, certainly, but really in that range, maybe from 250-ish on down. The interest rates for that group of people, right, that are looking at maybe renting in that, and we know rents are up, certainly is adding a little bit of fuel to that fire. We're hoping as we head towards summer that rates are going to start to moderate a bit more. When we look at how the market is gauging inflation, basically on a year-over-year basis, there's a lot of good comparisons. Last year, we saw inflation kind of get out of control of the Fed's efforts, and they really started hammering with these rate increases. So, we're hoping rates are going to moderate. I don't think they're going back to 3% again anytime soon, but boy, if we could get them into the 5% range, I think that'd be a nice kind of mental number to, if we get below 6%, that would be great. So if you need any assistance, certainly give me a call, and we'll give you an update next week on that consumer price index number that we're looking for and what kind of impact that may have on rates going forward. Have a great week.